Hi, I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Danielle, and we are the mother-daughter owners of Godiva Secret Wigs.
So in this video, I want to share with you how to turn a flat wig into a punky wig. I know there's a lot of spunky, kind of wild women out there that purchase our wigs and want to know exactly what to do. So I'm going to show you right now.
And we're going to be showing you 6 of our more punky wigs that are great to do this with.
Right, and we're showing you in grays, but they come in all different colors at our GodivaSecretWigs.com website. So the first thing I do when I want a full look is I hold the back and I shake it. And then I put it on. It will be the fullest possible. That's what I want to see first.
Good tip.
So I get it up to my hairline. Thank you, sweetheart.
Just here to help.
My biggest fan. So I have it up at my hairline. And I'm going to kind of get it where I want it. So there are 2 great things to use to punk up. And I'm going to show you what I do at home. First, a little cute water bottle. And I can just spritz around. The water won't hurt it, of course, because you can wash these wigs, you can do whatever. Did I get you?
Yeah. That's cool.
Or if you want to put it in a particular place, just put it in your hands. But I'm actually bend down. Get it good and wet.
I already showered this morning, so.
But see how it's already looking
Yeah.
piecey and full. And I
Totally
love
different,
that.
yeah.
Totally different. And sometimes, you know, you don't want a wig to look wiggy and flat. So, and sometimes I'm just in a crazy mood. I want it full. So once I get it where I like it, if you just leave it with the water, it will dry and then it's going to kind of go back. I'm dripping water on my face. So what I like to do to seal in that water, thank you, my love, is use our low alcohol hairspray.
Keep it there.
Keep it there. We have our 2-ouncer for travel and our 8-ouncer, and they're great. And here is what I do. So I'm spritzing not all over like those of you that use hairspray to get a full punky look, not necessary with a wig. And we want to put as little product on our wigs as possible to keep them looking good as long as possible. So I like just spritzing on my fingers. That's all I need. And I'm squeezing my fingers together like a big tooth comb, like a little clamp. And then I'm bending over and I'm just drying it. And once you have spritz, ladies, don't touch it because this is low alcohol hairspray. It will not damage your wigs, but it's got a high water content. So if you brush it or start playing with it now, you'll take the whole hold of the hairspray off.
It just takes a little longer to dry.
Right. So if I want to like place something a little bit, okay, I can do it. But
You have time.
isn't that a completely different look?
100%. And could you do it without doing the water first?
You could, but I don't know, I just love my little 2-step process.
And it makes it so you don't have to use as much hairspray too.
Exactly, and that's, thank you for reminding me, the main reason I use my water. So this is a really cute little short wig. What is this wig?
This is Dharma, and this color is Sandy Silver. And she comes in tons of great colors as well. And then if you want something a little longer, her sister who's a little longer is Meg. So be sure you look at that one also.
Check Meg.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to do the same thing. And let me say, if typically we say you can always travel with the wig turned inside out. And when you're not wearing your wigs, keep them turned inside out. But if you get a style that you like and you don't want to mess with it, just take it off and put it on a head and just leave it. And you also want to give it a little more time to dry. Then you can just put it right back on and it will look great. So I think that's a good tip.
Yeah, I like that.
So I'm going to take you a little longer now into Freedom and show you, I love punking up my Freedom wigs.
I just want to say I am wearing Kelly in Sandy Silver,
Oh,
just so I don't forget to tell you.
and ooh la la, honey.
I love this. I have it a little bit tucked behind my ear. I love this sexy front that my hair just, it won't do this. So I'm just loving this.
All right, so I forgot, I'm punking it. So I'm going to shake it. And then I'm putting it on. So don't be afraid. up at the hairline, and then I use the tabs, make sure they're even at my ears, and our tabs have little wires in them. You don't want them out like wings. You want them in, and this is designed to keep the wig right against your temples.
Smart.
So I'm starting, I don't want to punk too much around my face, but I want to get that kind of crazy. So,
Over here.
step aside. Woo!
Maybe just outside.
And if I'm in a bathroom, let's say I'm on a cruise ship and I want a different look now. I go in the bathroom, put my hands under the sink, get them wet, and all the other women in the bathroom love to watch me. They can't believe I've got a wig on. So I want to get it wet. I am going to punk my bangs up too, just so you can see.
Godiva's getting wet back there.
So I hope you can see the difference.
Totally.
Okay. So, kind of getting it where I want it. I'm going to give it a little more of a side part. And now, again, I'm going to spritz with my fingers the hairspray and just bend over. You got to bend over so the gravity of the hair hangs down. I don't know if you can see me, but can you see me, Brian?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay. So you always want to fan wherever my fan went. Here it is. And you might be bent over for 30 seconds. It's okay. Then when you come up, see how high it is, then you can just pat it right back down. If you want, you can still spritz it after to get the style. If you love that style, you want to keep it that way. But that's all there is to it.
So you just did hairspray right then?
Yes, I spritzed with a little more, and you can give it a light mist of hairspray. Look, you can use regular hairspray if you want on our wigs, but you're going to be replacing any wigs. If you're using normal hairspray, they have so much alcohol, they're so drying.
And it builds up. It gets this white,
Yeah.
Not white
pretty.
residue buildup. Not the best.
Thanks for jumping in there.
Well, you're done with the
I am done.
water parts.
I am done. So try that. Water and your low alcohol, keep it there. Godiva's Secret Hairspray.
So now we're just going to show you a few of the other styles that are kind of more, they're easier to punk up, kind of some more punky styles.
Mm-hmm.
So this first one Rochelle's putting on is Sheila, a really short style, and the color is sandy silver again. So in this sandy silver, you'll notice, because it's shorter, it's a little bit more blended all throughout, but the back is still going to be a little bit of this darker brown back. This white is just the tag, so you would cut that out. There we go. So this is going to be one of our shortest wigs, Sheila. She comes in lots of beautiful colors and some
Right.
beautiful grays. She comes in a darker gray, and she also comes in a really light gray in addition to the sandy silver.
In addition to all the other
colors. And she, because of her cut, is really easy to use the techniques Rochelle just showed you
Right.
to make really punky also.
And you know what's really big right now is really flat too. So some of our wigs, like Sheila, are so light, feather light, and you could just wet some of these pieces and just have it real close to your head.
And she's very versatile. Like a lot of these styles, you can see they can be super flat or really punky in seconds.
Right, love it.
Yeah, she
Okay.
looks great. The next one I'll put on. Her name is Courtney, and she's another little shorty girl. And the color is Silverstone.
Pretty shorty girl.
Shorty girl. So this is Courtney.
Oh,
So
yeah.
again, woo. So I just shook it and put it on, and now Rochelle's gonna do a little magic.
I'm going to just use some water. Now let's see if I can make this. Oh, Danielle.
I'm nervous.
Don't be afraid.
I'm just gonna cover my face.
Okay. Cover your face.
It's raining.
That's it. So just like I do my husband's hair in the morning, I spritz it and then I just piece it out. See how it's great instantly.
So
It's
this is
just
Courtney.
fun and it doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah, cute. And then if you want a more
Love it.
subtle look, can just brush it and it lays a little flatter.
Right.
But Courtney definitely is meant to have a lot of fullness. So she is not meant to lay flat. Like how Sheila could kind of go both ways, Courtney's definitely meant to be fuller.
Yeah.
And she has a really cute little flippy back.
Yeah, it's great.
Thank you.
Great, great, great.
Courtney.
And let's see, our last wig to show you that punks up so great is Lisa.
And the color again is Silverstone, the same color that I'm wearing. Really great gray color.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Take over. Great on a hot day, or when you're having your hot flash.
I didn't know I'd need my poncho for this video.
But I love it
that
punked
looks
up.
good.
Doesn't that look good?
That looks great.
Lisa girl.
I like that.
And
Whoop.
that's it. That's all there is to it. So I'm just using water. If you want, just play with your water in the beginning. But
Yeah.
that's it. If you mess too much with our wigs, they're going to start looking phony.
Right.
Our wigs are meant to go on, play with for 30 seconds, and
Yeah.
go live your life.
Yes. So go live your life. Yeah, and what I love about using the water first is if you do it and you do the water and it looks punky, you know, oh, I don't like this,
Mhm.
just let it dry, brush it out a little bit, and then you don't have to, it won't look spiky anymore.
Right.
You know?
Of course, it goes back to the style that you purchased.
But you don't want to brush it when it's really wet. If you do end up not liking this, let it dry before you start brushing it out.
Now we really do look mother-daughter, don't we?
Sisters.
Yeah!
Actually, mother-daughter.
Hey. Well, thanks for watching.
Thanks.
And remember to watch
yes.
our 250 plus videos on our YouTube channel. And
And if you enjoy watching us, be sure to actually subscribe to our channel. That way each week when we put out a new video, you will know about it. And also, if you want to know about our promotions, you need to go to our website, godivasecretwigs.com, scroll to the bottom, and there's a place to put in your email address. That way, whenever we have a promotion, you'll get an email and you'll be first to know about it.
right. And
Thanks.
one last thing, and then we'll let you go. If you have questions and you want to speak to a real person, but you want them to pick up on the first or second ring, call our corporate office
Yes.
where we have wig experts waiting to talk to you.
During the week, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Pacific Standard Time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.